Using borax or diatomaceous earth dusts on pet bedding can reduce fleas but must be done with strict safety steps for people and animals. Start with veterinary first-line controls like vet-approved flea shampoos and oral preventatives because they treat the animal directly and reduce reinfestation of bedding. Wash all bedding and any removable covers in the hottest water safe for the fabric and dry on the highest heat recommended to kill eggs and larvae. If you choose a borax or diatomaceous earth treatment, use food-grade products and apply only a very thin, sifted layer by shaking through a fine sieve or sifter to avoid clumps and airborne clouds. Keep animals and children out of the room until dust settles and wear a fitted particulate mask and gloves while applying. After leaving dust in place for the manufacturer's suggested contact time, vacuum thoroughly with a sealed bag or canister and dispose of vacuum contents outside to prevent reintroduction. Do not apply dust directly to animals and do not rely on dust alone. Combine bedding treatment with environmental cleaning and veterinary insecticides for effective control. A common mistake is using excessive dust, which increases inhalation risk and does not improve efficacy. So use a thin, sifted layer and avoid dust clouds. People often skip treating pet sleeping areas off-site like carriers and crates, so launder or wipe down those items and treat all consistent resting spots to prevent reinfestation. Another issue is assuming household-grade or unknown sources are safe, so choose only food-grade products and follow label guidance and keep children and pets away until residue is settled and vacuumed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips on safe pest control methods. We help contractors find work by making their services visible to nearby homeowners and offering a place for ongoing homeowner and pro conversations.